Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Wrap and Scraps family channel. My channel, your channel, our channel, okay? This morning, what am I doing this morning? Well, I've got several things I need to do. First of all, I got to get these kids online for school. And that kind of monopolizes the whole day, really. This online school thing, as you guys know, is really taking it's a lot, especially if your kids have occupational therapy, speech therapy, all that type of stuff. It's a lot. So I need to do that. But in between that, while I'm running back and forth, helping them and then doing what I need to do around the house, I'm in the craft room right now. I need to redo my nails. And so I wanted to share with you guys this little kit that I picked up from Sally's called Soak Off Gel Polish Mini Try Me Kit. It's by ASP. By ASP, and all the stuff you need to do your gel manicure. All right, you see that stuff, and they are miniature sizes. And then I bought this separately, same place. So I'm gonna be painting my nails this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pink color, really glittery, really pretty. At a thrift store, believe it or not, for $5. And you guys know, if you're into gel nails, you know how much these things cost. So I have that and that, so I just set that there because that's what I'm going to be doing. I also am working on making some more pendants like this for my brother's football team club. He has a club, 619ers Club. He's from San Diego, and so I'm making some more of those. So I'm kind of going through some different fonts, picking out my wood, the wood, the font, the colors, the paper, the glue, the charms, the keychains, like all the stuff that I'm gonna need. I've made him some before. I'll insert a picture of it. I have made him some before. So I have these pictures here. As you can see, they're very nice. A little beach theme. I love the beach, those of you who know me. And I'm gonna be painting this room. This room is not going to stay this way. I had painted this back wall here because that's where my bed was initially. I had just painted the sides, as you can see. That's why the middle's not painted. But I've decided to go ahead and put the bed against this wall. So I need to move those pictures, okay? I need to move those pictures. And my camera does not want to focus. Okay, there we go. So I moved my bed to this wall here. That way we can utilize this window because at first it was against the window. And so these mirrors that were on the side of the bed, I'm going to be moving on this, where they're supposed to go above the lamps. And these pictures I'm gonna go ahead and put back above the wall because they were there initially, but I'm gonna have to raise them up. They still have the nails, you probably can't see them, but they still have the nails. And this room will probably be done after I do the girls' room. I'm not really in a rush to do it. The TV is gonna have to be centered, but I want a fireplace in here. And so my goal is to put some cabinetry here at the bottom for drawers, but have two tall cabinets on the sides to house my refrigerator and microwave, and then also on that side. So I want it to be mirrored. I want the back of the wall to be mirrored. I want the TV, fireplace, and then console. Okay, and yeah, so that's what my goal is for that area. But anywho, let's move on. Let's go downstairs, you guys.
All right, you guys, so the first thing I wanted to do was to sweep the floor, take the dishes out of the dishwasher, put them away, and load the dishwasher. Now, normally this is all done at night, but last night, you guys, I just was not feeling it. So I am taking care of that before I start my kids' school day.
I have started my day off with trying to throw all this in a bun and put on a little bit of makeup just to feel alive and well. Just one of those days, where you just kind of feel just kind of draggy. I'm trying not to drag. But I'm here, I'm alive, I'm happy, God is good. So what I'm trying to do this morning is make myself some type of green drink. I'm getting them started in their schoolwork. And I've got to make a green drink and I've got to clean the kitchen. So this morning what I'm doing is I'm really just going through my refrigerator and just taking out the stuff that I know I need to use up. So here I've got some celery. I've got 2 bunches of celery I need to use up. I've got some lettuce I need to use up, apple, a beet, and some lemon. So that's gonna be my morning drink. And then I've got to clean these dishes. Look at these dishes, y'all. Ugh. So I'm emptying my dishwasher right now as we speak. And after doing that and getting these kids started on their schoolwork, then I'm gonna go ahead and make my breakfast drink, and then I'm gonna go in here to the gym and get on the treadmill and keep an ear out, because my little one needs help a lot of the times. I think I'll also throw this cucumber in there. Throw this cucumber. Maybe the drink will last me all day. I also want to add in some turmeric. Because I'm trying to do everything I can to cut back on my turmeric. Is a girl's friend. It's my turmeric here. I'm going to be adding some of that. And then I'm also going to be having some hibiscus. Is that what you call it? Hibiscus tea. It smells so good. Looks like little flowers in there. You see that? Can you see that? Looks like little flowers. So that's what's going on over here thus far.
The kitchen shuffle begins. So here you just see me putting away all of the wine glasses, cups, plates, silverware, all of that type of stuff. Like I said, I forgot to unload my dishwasher last night, so I'm doing that now, and then I'm gonna load all the dirty dishes. But before I do, I'm gonna make myself a green drink. So like I stated previously, I wanted to go through my refrigerator and kind of just clear out some things and make sure that I'm not being wasteful with any of the food products, especially the fruit and vegetables. You know, those can kind of go bad quickly. And so here I'm just going to cut up the cucumbers, some lettuce. I've got a beet that I'm adding to it, a bit of lemon, turmeric, ginger, an apple, some celery. And I think I added a little bit of like natural juice too that I had in the refrigerator, just so that, you know, it had a little bit of sugar in it, just a little bit. So here I'm using my Vitamix. I love my Vitamix. I actually got it from my mother. She didn't use it very often, so she decided to gift it to me, and I was more than happy to take it. So I'm just throwing all of my ingredients in it. I'm gonna slowly add the celery. Then I need to add the ginger and the turmeric, a little bit of lemon, and, you know, just making up something that's good and healthy for my body. A lot of it I don't like, but I'm sure my body will thank me one day.
So I made 2 of them. I put one in the refrigerator, and then I'm gonna take this one out. Okay? It doesn't taste the best, so I try not to put any sugar in it, but I mean, it's not bad.
Alright, now that I've put up all the dishes that were in the dishwasher, now I can rinse off the dishes and load them into the dishwasher. Thank God for a dishwasher. Does anyone else remember when they used to have to take turns bi-weekly or daily washing dishes growing up? There was no dishwasher in most cases. I remember us having a week each to do the dishes, but there was a lot of us, so it didn't seem too bad for us. Funny thing is, you can't get these kids now to want to even load the dishwasher. They have no idea how blessed they are. So I thought I would show you the drawer that's right by my sink and show you what I keep in it. I actually just pulled everything out. But normally I keep some of those cleansing wipes in there, and then all of my Scentsy and or candle melts. So we've got lemon blueberry donuts. We've got, I love that one. That one smells pretty good. I got that from Walmart. We have the black raspberry vanilla, one of my favorite scents from Scentsy. Scentsy is my favorite brand. And then we have apple spice and apple crisp. You know, it's the apple season. And cupcake, that is one of my favorite from Walmart. And then waterfall, summer breeze, and canyon mist. That was just something I picked up on the slide. So in this drawer, I normally keep
So I thought I would show you guys my little bit of fall decor I have out here in the courtyard. Really large pumpkin. You can see my foot, he's huge. Big old pumpkin there. And then I have a little pumpkin candle holder here. And of course, we've got the little owl and the wine bottle. And then I snatched some pillows from inside, the grateful, and the other 2 orange pillows I put there. And then everything else is the same. As you can see, my plant burnt up to a crisp. You hear that? That's how hot it was in California this year. Listen. Look at that. Yeah, that's California for you this year. So I haven't done anything over there. It's just my grape tree, and I need to put the rest of the stuff away and unwater some stuff up. That's my little fall decor out here. So with the burnt tree, I actually decided to just leave it there because it kind of goes with it. The color scheme goes with it, so I leave it there. But yeah, guys, this is the fall. And so this is the little melt warmer that I have. Let's see, beautiful turquoise. I need to scrub the bottom of it. But I think it's from Home and Gardens. Got it from Walmart. I think I paid about $15. I'll show you my beautiful pumpkin plates here. There's 3 of them. I got these from Home Goods. And I just leave them stacked like this. I think that looks good. So they're just stacked like that here in the kitchen. Got my little owl sitting in the corner. My little owl, he's a little, I think there's 1 cookie in there left. My kids have raided it, so. But that's the little owl there in the corner. And so by the stove, I have this beautiful big turquoise mason jar with some supplies in it. My sister-in-law just picked up these for me. She picked up a whole set of those, different types, as well as these. Turquoise, she knows I love turquoise, so she picked that up for me, which I so love. Then I have this little cute set of measuring spoons that I pull out for fall, and I love pumpkins. I think I got this from World Market, if I'm not mistaken. My sister-in-law also got me this set. If you're watching, Mel, thank you. I won't say your whole name because I don't want everybody to know who you are, but thank you, honey. My honey boo. I love you for it. Isn't that cute? And it's like a little miniature set. It's so cute. Look at my hand so you can see the size of it. So freaking cute. I can't wait to use that at the gathering. She knows I do like, entertaining, so she's like, I thought of you. It's so sweet to be thought of. So I'm excited about that. So that's what I have. And then of course, my little pumpkin, I just sit there. And then of course the coffee bar over here. This is the new arrangement. I just put the cake plate here and set all the stuff on the cake plate here. So we've got coffee there, sugar there, stevia there, and then some hibiscus tea, I think that is. Hibiscus tea.
And so you guys, this kind of wraps up my video. I just wanted to kind of do a vlog. I've never done a vlog before, so this is my first vlog. And I just wanted to kind of share what I kind of do throughout the day. I really only share the morning section of my day. But me finishing my daughter's hair, this was more toward, I'd say, 5:30. It was getting ready to get dark outside. But I got tired of combing hair. As you know, I have 4 daughters. And 3 of them are still little, so I have to do their hair. And I was just sick of doing hair, so I decided to go ahead and braid hers up. So that's what you see me doing here. Put some extensions in. I picked the extensions up from Sally's. It was $2.99 a pack, which to me is expensive because you can go to other places where there's more beautiful black women and you can find a big old pack of hair for a lot cheaper. But I had to go ahead and get it from Sally's because where I live, they don't have it, and I was too impatient to wait and order it online. So here you just see me braiding up her hair. I want to, hopefully it'll last her more than a week or 2. She is really rough on her hair. She scratches her head just for no reason. There's nothing wrong with it. She doesn't have dandruff or anything like that, but she's just really, really rough. And so I went on ahead and braided it, hoping it will last. We'll see. We'll see. But I want to thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for joining the Wrapped in Scraps family. If you have not subscribed, please, 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 please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Just click the little subscribe button and the thumbs up and the notification bell. I will be very, very grateful if you do. And if you are a new subscriber to the Wrapped in Scraps family, welcome. And if you are just a visitor, welcome. I thank you for joining me. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Remember to stay wrapped in scraps, meaning continue to refurbish yourself. Continue to remake yourself. Learn something new. Take the old and make something good out of it. You know, do the best you can do with what you have been given. And stay loving you, stay loving God, stay loving life. And like always, I will see you next time. Bye, guys. And that's it. I try to keep it really simple. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time.